Hello, this is just a short video to introduce what will be my contribution to group build. So Shawn over at the Scale Model Car Guy channel has just announced a small scale group build which runs from the 1st of February until the end of the month. It's as he said, it's a short month for a small scale build. So I'm ready for a quick change of pace and change of scenery, so it fits in perfectly. So I am going to join in on that. But if you're interested in chucking out a model car and you're not aware of Shawn's channel, then I will leave a link at the bottom. This is what I'm going to be doing. I did a first impressions review of this back in March of last year, so go and check it out. It comes with 212 plastic parts, 40 photo etch parts. All the doors and various bits and pieces can be open or shut. They're all posable. And you've got decals for 11 different paint options. So there's loads and loads of options in there. So I'm going to have a think about it. Ultimately, this is going to go on a diorama that I have planned, but that doesn't mean I can't build it now. So there you go. That's what I'm going to be doing. If you're interested, get yourself over to Shawn's channel and have a quick look at his video. Okay, take care everyone. Enjoy your modelling. I will see you soon.